We'll guide you through how to make star transition After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, create a new shape layer from the layer menu. Select the Polystar tool from the toolbar. Use the tool to draw a star shape inside the composition. After creating the star, place the star in the center of the screen so it becomes the main transition element. Adjust the size if needed so it starts small and visible. Next, select the star shape layer in the timeline. Press S on the keyboard to open the scale property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to scale so the size can animate over time. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead position. Keep the star small at the start of the transition. Then move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should finish. Scale the star larger over time by increasing the scale value until the shape expands across the screen. A new keyframe will be created automatically, causing the star to grow during playback. Continue increasing the scale until the first clip is fully covered by the star shape. As the star expands, use it to hide the first clip completely. Then reveal the second clip behind it by placing the second clip underneath and timing the layer change with the star animation. This creates a smooth scene change using the growing star effect. After setting the animation, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Watch carefully to make sure the star expands smoothly, covers the first clip fully, and reveals the second clip at the correct time. Adjust any keyframes or scale values if needed. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your star transition is complete.